The key characteristics of cloud computing. On-demand self-service, users can provision and manage computing resources, including servers, storage, and networking, without needing to interact with a human administrator. This allows for quick and easy access to resources and the ability to scale up or down as needed. Broad network access. Cloud services are accessible from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. This allows users to access their data and applications from any device, including laptops, desktops, mobile phones, and tablets. Rapid elasticity. Cloud resources can be quickly and easily scaled up or down to meet changing needs. This allows businesses to respond to spikes in demand or unexpected events. Resource pooling. Cloud resources are shared among multiple users, which helps to improve utilization and reduce costs. This means that users only pay for the resources they use. Measured service. Cloud services are metered, which means that users only pay for the resources they use. This allows for a more transparent and predictable cost model. Multi-tenancy. Cloud resources are shared among multiple users, which helps to reduce costs. However, this can also lead to security concerns, as users share the same underlying infrastructure. Virtualization. Cloud computing relies on virtualization technology to create virtual machines that can run multiple applications on a single physical server. This helps to improve resource utilization and reduce costs. Resilient computing. Cloud computing is designed to be resilient, meaning that it can recover quickly from outages or other disruptions. This is due to the fact that cloud providers typically have multiple data centers around the world, which helps to ensure that services are available even if one data center experiences an outage. Flexible pricing models. Cloud providers offer a variety of pricing models to meet the needs of different businesses. These models include pay-as-you-go, reserved instances, and spot instances. Security. Cloud providers invest heavily in security, and cloud services often have a higher level of security than on-premises infrastructure. Automation. Cloud computing can be automated, which can help to reduce costs and improve efficiency. Sustainability. Cloud computing can help businesses reduce their environmental impact. This is because cloud providers can leverage economies of scale to operate data centers more efficiently than businesses could on their own. Thanks for watching.